Hello. I hope all are audible. Can I have some response, please? Can Swati please speak back? Can you hear? Swati, can you hear? Can you hear? Is the audio clear? Okay, I'm muting you. So, a very warm welcome to all of you to a new academic year and the very first class of geography. So, I'm your new teacher. I am Shajahan, and I am your geography teacher. So, how are you? How all things are going on? I think all you are fine at home. Be safe and be calm in your home. Eat good food, and we will surely easily overcome this corona, and hope you all are enjoying this video class and online class. If you have any problems, this will be solved within 2 days, and be clear. And one more thing, I know you all are very much excited after Usha teacher's class. She is a beautiful teacher and she have taught you biology in a good way. I was also a student at that time. I was also viewing the class, and I am teaching you geography, and I can give you my complete knowledge. But one thing, you have to respond back, not through that hand raising. I don't need any hand raise. I don't need any yes mark, tick mark. You can ask me through doubts through WhatsApp groups if in later. So before we start, everybody have to be clear with the voice. I think you all can hear the voice. So let us start. So our first chapter is India, size and location. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask you a thing. Is it someone has unmuted? So before starting the class, I want to ask you, all of you, are you familiar with India map? I know you people will be going through this map from the small class onwards. I want to know that, do you know the all states and the capitals clearly? Someone else is thinking about, is he going to ask that? No, I'm not going to ask that, because that is a 6th standard knowledge. You should know every Indian state's its name crystal clear, because we don't need that information in 9th class. In 9th class, what you want is, you have to know to locate each and every state, its capital on a India map. Suppose if I take a map here, here you can see an outline map of India. If I ask you people to point on Chhattisgarh, can you people point on Chhattisgarh? That is the question. That is the information, that is the knowledge you want to develop. So this outline map, it have all the states and all the union territories and also the neighboring countries marked on that. So you people have to understand where each and every states are located, and you people have to locate each states and also know the capitals. That is what people have to develop. For that, the whole ninth class student have to do an activity. The very first activity of your ninth class, you people have to either can draw a map, or you can you just draw a map, or trace the map, and mark all the states, and write state's name and capital name inside each states, and that will help you to study each and every locations of each and every state. So that you have to develop, that is a need for the whole ninth class geography. So before that, you people, hello, is anybody responding? So before that, you people have to do one thing. How many states does India have? How many does India have? Can I mute one and ask? I am going to mute one student and I will be asking to her. I am muting Devagi 9A. Devagi, can you hear me? Devangi. I want to know that, Devangi, how many states India has? 29. Her answer is 29. So I am muting that. Okay, fine. I want to get one more from Ajay Amruda. I'm unmuting him. Can you hear Ajay Amruda? Yeah. Say louder. How many states India have? How many states in India have? 29. Okay. Fine. That is it. 29 states is the answer of the majority. I have asked two students. They both have said it is 29. And you people are 6 months older. You people are not updated because India have only 28 states. And you can see we usually, this part, this is, we usually say as Jammu and Kashmir, and that is a state. That is no more a state. Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, they both are union territories. They are included in union territories list. Now we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So that is what I was saying. You must be updated with the states, the map, and the capitals very clearly. The whole 9th standard geography needed that. So that's why I have given that work to you, that assignment to you. You people have to do it yourself. So this is the outline map. I'm showing a new updated map of India. You can see clearly here, Ladakh is here. You can see, I think you can see here this portion. This is usually we thought as Jammu and Kashmir. It is divided into two, Ladakh and Jammu. They both are union territories. So we only have 28 states, and the union territories have updated to 7 to 8. So 28 states and 8 union territories are the updated numbers. So you people have to be sure about that. And I think you are clear with the work. You have to draw or you have to sketch an outline map with state boundary, and you people have to write each and every state's name and the capital name in each and every state. So that will help you to locate every state. Is that clear for everyone? I hope it is clear for everyone. So we can move forward. So here I'm trying to draw an outline map of India. You people can see this. This is what we said as Jammu and Kashmir, and people have to nail down that Jammu and Kashmir is no more a state. That is a combined union territory. Change. I hope you people can see the map I am drawing. This is how I can draw my India. So you people have to practice this also. When you come to the school after all this corona period, I will come to your class and I will introduce myself and I will say as the first activity, take a book and take a pen and draw your India. You have to draw your India, so keep practicing that also. So this is how my India looks. At all the states, I believe this is the original India map. You people have to develop yours. Okay? Then let's go to the textbook. The first chapter is India states size and location. You people know that India is a country which is situated in so this is your first chapter. It is India, size and location. So before going to the location, I need to know one more thing about India. We live in India. India is a beautiful country. We know that India is much larger than many countries. So what is the rank of India in size? How much, if you take the size list, how much India ranks? I want to ask you someone, the Adil of 9A, can you hear me, Adil? Adil, India is, can you hear me? Okay, fine. What rank goes to India in the case of size? You think 7th? Yeah, you are right. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Likewise, we are saying details about India. First, we are going with location of India, where India is located. So you people have to be clear. When we say a place location, when I say my house location, I will be saying like this: my house is in Trivandrum district and it is very close to a place known as Karakutam, and my house is very 3 house far from the Kanyapuram bus stop. I have said my location in many ways. I have said my district name, I have said my place name, and I have also said a milestone which will make it easy to find my house. Likewise, when we say about India's location, we can say in different way. This is also will be an interesting one. How many of you think that this is the question, India lies in which hemisphere? Which hemisphere? That means I have 3 options. India lies in northern hemisphere, India lies in southern hemisphere, and the equator passes through India. That means the India lies northern as well as southern hemisphere. It will be like this. In which hemisphere does India lies? First option is that if the earth is like this, India lies here. That is in the northern hemisphere. The second option is if this is the world, the earth, India lies here. And if in the third option, it means India lies exactly, the equator passes through the India, and that makes that India lies not only in the northern hemisphere but also in the southern hemisphere. So you people choose an answer and hold it in your mind. I will ask you to someone, in which hemisphere does India lies? I want to know you from Kashinathan. Hello Kashinathan, can you hear me? No response from him. Hello Kashinathan, can you hear me? No. I want to hear from Kalyani S. Roshan. 90. Kalyani S. Rosh. Hello? Yeah, Kalyani, can you hear me? You heard my question? Yes. What do you think, in which hemisphere does India lies? Is it in northern hemisphere, or is it in southern hemisphere, or in the equator passes through India? What is your opinion? India lies in southern hemisphere. Yeah, sure. No problem. Okay, fine. Then I want some more answers. I am unmuting Rashmi R. Rashmi, can you hear me? Rashmi, can you hear me? If you are not responding, I can know you. I can see your video. Rimsi Shivakumar, can you hear me? Yeah. Please say, do you heard my question? Have you heard my question, Rimsi? Yeah. In which hemisphere are you searching in the internet? Don't do that. I'm here for your internet. I too have internet. I will show you in the internet. Don't cheat me, okay? Just say, does India lies in northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, or the equator passes through India? What is your opinion? India lies in northern hemisphere. How do you know that? Now. So your test is opened in your friend, right? You got tuition. Nice. Okay, fine. Whatever it is. The first answer I got it is India lies in the southern hemisphere. Some people, you people, I know your mind, majority of your mind, you people think that the equator was passing through India. If I can read your mind, I will get out of 140, almost 100 people will be thinking this. And very low people will be thinking India lies in the northern hemisphere. And the reality is, and the correct thing is, and the fact is, India lies in northern hemisphere. That is the first location. India doesn't lies in southern hemisphere. The equator doesn't pass through India. India lies in northern hemisphere, and that is the correct thing. So that is how we locate India in the whole globe. Then the next thing is, in which continent does India is? You can see different continents here. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. We have 7 continents. In which continent does India is located? We all know that India is located in Asia. So that is the next location. And next thing is, what is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India? So if you want to know about the latitudinal and longitudinal extension, we can study this through this way. We just suppose this is India's top. I am just drawing as a rough one. So this is the uppermost latitude, and this is the southernmost latitude. So we can say that if India lies in the northern hemisphere, that means India starts from 8 degree 4-minute north to 4-minute north to 37° 6-minute north. That is actually the latitudinal extension of India. You people can see it clearly. The latitudinal extension is 8° 4-minute north to 37° 6-minute north. Thus is the latitudinal extension of India. And if we go through the longitudinal extension, thus is the longitude, and thus is the another longitude. And when we say about longitudinal extension, it extends from the longitude which passes in Gujarat to longitude which passes with the boundary of Arunachal Pradesh, and that is exactly 68° 7-minute east to 97° 25-minute east. So that is the longitudinal extension of India. So I hope it is clear. The latitudinal extension is 8° 4-minute north to 37° 6-minute north, and the longitudinal extension is 68° 7-minute east to 97° 25-minute east. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. So we have studied the location of India in 3 ways. We can locate as in which hemisphere, we can locate as in which continent, and we can say using the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. So that is about, so I am repeating it, the exact location of India. India lies in the northern hemisphere, not in the southern hemisphere. It lies in the northern hemisphere, and India lies in the Asian continent. And the latitudinal extension of India is exactly 8° 4-minute north to 37° 6-minute north, and the longitudinal extension is 68° 7-minute east to 97° 25-minute east. So that is all about the location of India. I think you people have understood. Please go through the this textbook, the location, India. Just read all those things. And after location, we can study size also. So just go through the location. I am repeating one more time about the location. India lies in the northern hemisphere, and it completely lies in the northern hemisphere. Equator doesn't pass through India, and India lies in Asian continent, and the latitudinal and longitudinal extension is 8° 4-minute north to 8° 4-minute north to 37° 6-minute north, and the longitudinal extension is 68° 7-minute east to 97° 25-minute east. Now I think we can go to the next section, that is the size of India. We know that this is the whole India map, and it ranks 7th in the size. So what is the first 6 countries? Can anyone say? If anyone knows, suddenly raise your hand. If knows the rank of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries, and 7th is India. And I have heard about from Amal Muhammad 9A. I don't want any other raise hands. I will be unmuting Amal Muhammad 9A. I want to hear from him. You people can hear this. It is Amal Muhammad 9A. I am unmuting him and I am. Yeah, please, Amal, can you hear me? Amal, can you hear me? I can't hear. Sorry, I can't hear. I want another hand. I want another one to raise your hand if you know the. No, I didn't see the raise hand. One more time. If anyone knows, please raise your hand. Which is the largest country, which is the second largest country, which is the third largest country? Yes, Anjali VK have raised her hand. Want to see Anjali? I am unmuting Anjali. 1 minute. Okay, I am unmuted, Anjali. Can you hear me, Anjali? I can't hear Anjali, that's why I'm. No, leave that. You don't want to do that. I can't see Anjali now. I think she have left after raising the hand. So I am saying that. So Abhay Sunil is raising. I am trying one more time. Last time, Abhay Sunil, don't be quiet. Okay. I have unmuted Abhay Sunil. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear Abhay Sunil. Abhay, can you please say the other 6 states which is rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order? Yeah, please do that. First one is Russia. Second one is Canada. Third one is USA. Fourth, China. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Australia. And seventh in India. I know you have a textbook open in front of you. You have read it very well. Is it right? You just look into that graph, right? I want to know. That I know. Everybody can read that graph. That graph is nicely in a pink, beautiful color, right? Okay. Abhay, please unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. So that is it. The list is like this. I am making you to study this in an easy way that you can remember this, which is the 7 largest countries in the world. You can use this code. This is RCUC by BAI. In this your order, you can say that it is Russia, it is Canada, USA, again China, Brazil, Australia, and the 7th largest country is India. People can say that. So that is the rank size of the whole of India. It ranks 7, and these are the other 6 ranked. So is it clear for you? I hope it is clear. So that is about India's size. Then what is the area of India? How much area does India have? Exactly, India have, it is 3.28 million square kilometer, and thus is the area of India. People have to learn this number, and also it comprises 4% of the whole world. The whole world area, it comprises the 2.4% of the whole world, and the area in square kilometer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, so that is about the size. So we have studied the size in two ways. In rank wise, it is 7th largest country. In size, in area wise, it is 3.28, and in percentage wise, the whole nation, the whole world, India comprises of 2.4% of the whole world. So that is about the size, and we can also study size in another way. If you are a person who love to ride the bike, if I say what is your dream, majority of you, even girls or boys, majority of you, if I say you just think about, suppose you people are looking at me, you can see me, you can see my specs, you just think your dream, your 5 dreams which you wish you want to happen in your life. Think of 5 wish. Just count it. I want something like this, like 5 things. If you have thought about this, majority of you people will have the wish which I'm going to say. If you don't have, I have failed. If you have, I have success. Majority will have this one. I wish to have a bullet. I wish to travel from the Kerala to the North India, exactly to Himalaya. I wish a bullet ride. Yeah. Don't raise your hand. Majority will do this. Don't raise. It will create a disturbance here. Please don't raise. Please don't raise your hand. I know you people know that. If you people are ready, suppose you will get, how much kilometer will you travel? I am okay. You people know that. You people are clear with this. You are going to travel from Trivandrum to. You people are going to travel from. Okay, you people are going to travel from Trivandrum to Jammu and Kashmir, that exactly to Ladakh. You people are starting from here. You people are traveling through Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, and Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh. You have reached there. My question is, how much kilometer you want to travel if you travel from the southern tip of India to the northern tip of India? In this way also we can have the length, the size of India. So that for that thing you have to so from there to there, that means from south, from the southern tip of India to the northern tip, exactly the kilometer is, it will take almost this number is very crazy to remember, 3214, 1 2 3 4 in another order. 3214 kilometer is the exact distance from the southern tip of India to the northern tip of India, and that is 3214, the distance from southern tip to the northern tip. Now the distance from here to here, that means from the end of the Gujarat to the end of Rajasthan, Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat to Rajasthan, that means east-west distance, that is 2933 kilometers. So we can say, if the written thing is not clear, I will write it clear for you here. The north, writing it here clearly, from north to south distance, it is 3214 kilometer, and east-west distance, it is 2933 kilometer. I think it is clear for you. And this is also another way to say the size. And one more thing we have to add: how much boundary India have? How much distance boundary India have? We have to look, go through both boundaries. We have to look the land boundary kilometers and also the ocean boundary kilometers. If we can see this. This is the exact land boundary distance. You can see this is the land boundary which shares with many countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal. It shares with Bhutan. It shares with Myanmar, and also at last it shares with Bangladesh. These countries are the countries which share land boundary with India. One more time I am repeating the countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. These are the 7 countries which share land boundaries with India. So among this, which one is sharing the smallest land boundary and which one is sharing the largest land boundary? The shortest, not the smallest, the shortest land boundary is shared by Afghanistan, and the longest land boundary is shared not by China, it is shared by Bangladesh. So that is also you have to remember. And the total length of the land boundary is 15,200 kilometer. This is about the land boundary of India. It shares with 7 different countries, and you people have to understand about this clearly. Which all countries does India share land boundary with, what all states are sharing with what all countries, and the total distance is 15,200 kilometer is the land boundary distance which India share with other countries. And about the ocean boundary, if you are marking this as the ocean boundary, this is the ocean boundary, and also it says the Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar also have ocean boundaries. Calculating, adding all the ocean boundaries, the exact distance of ocean boundary is 7,516.6 kilometer. 7,516.6 kilometer ocean boundary is covered by India, and this is the distance, the boundary distance of land boundary distance and the ocean boundary distance. So hope you people have understood this session. I am repeating all the complete session for you, and those who were, please listen to this one more time. Today we have gone through different sessions. First thing I have said to you is, you people have to go through the India outline map. You have to create an India outline map on yourself, and you have to write the state name and capital name in that. And after that, you people have to do one more thing. You have to draw it that, or you have to create. You can sketch it down. After that, then, Arun Naya, I want to see your face. Don't hide. He's hiding. No, everybody have to on your camera. I want to see the face. That is why I'm saying that. If you are not showing, Arun Nair 9B. Show your face. Okay, fine. You have to show. Then the class, I am repeating the class which I have said to you. About the size, it was about the size we have said, about the location. First we have said about the location. India's location is in the northern hemisphere, and India lies in the Asian continent. And also India, the exact latitude and longitudinal extension of India, latitudinal extension of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and the longitudinal extension is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. And we have also studied about the size of India. India ranks 7th in the whole when we compare in the whole list, and the distance from north to south, the area, everything, the whole percentage in the world map, and that is everything. I hope you have understood the class. If any problem is there, you can inform in the groups. If any doubts also, you can ask in the group, in the WhatsApp, which I am there, you and your class group. You can ask that. My name is Shajahan. I am repeating one more time. And thank you people for the session. And by this, today's class is completing. The whole 4 hours are completed. Hope you people have were attentive and do your homeworks, whatever works and whatever portions your teacher have taught. Work in your home and be safe and be ready for the end of Corona period. Once we will all end this, and be safe and have a healthy food. Thank you.